Hey everyone, today we're going to take a look at a cult favourite from Electro-Harmonix, the Double Muff. The Double Muff is built around the late 60s, early 70s muff fuzz design. You get two gain stages, muff 1 and muff 2, plus a toggle switch for single or double mode. Single mode gives you that vintage low gain breakup, and double mode stacks both circuits for a thick fuzzy saturation. The Double Muff has been discontinued for a while now, so you won't be able to find one on the shelves, but the good news is that it's still pretty easy to track down on the used market, and prices are usually pretty reasonable. And because it's Electro-Harmonix, most used pedals are still in great shape. So let's have a listen. So for players who want that vintage style grit and a unique dual gain setup in a tiny footprint, the Double Muff is a fun little box with lots of character. If you spot one for a good price, it's absolutely worth grabbing. Well, that'll do us for this one. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.